Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this lavalier microphones that this brand sent to me for this video, and I'm using one right now. It is right here on my cap, and it comes with a magnet, so it is magnetized right here with this kind of like little ring over here, which is gonna be you're gonna put it in one side, kind of like on the other side of your clothes on the inside, and then on the other side you're gonna magnetize the microphone. You're gonna clap it to this, clip it, better say. But I'm using them right now, and audio quality is super important. And this one comes with a charging case. It comes with two receivers and one transmitter. So you're gonna have a one for the USB-C and also Lightning port for iOS. But let me show you something in the importance of actually having a really good microphone. So right now I'm not using the microphone. So I just want to show you the difference between just recording with my phone or the microphone on my phone and just with the microphone. And by the way, here's going to be the USB-C connector. And you also have, which I have it on the box, you're also going to have the Lightning port, and you have 1 and 2 microphones over here with the charging case. So I'm back with the microphone now, and I want to show you something really cool right here. I'm gonna get closer to the phone, to the camera, so you can see this one right here. So here's how this is gonna work. This is, by the way, you will have to remove that one on the second microphone before anything else, before charging, for example. And then this is how it's gonna work. You're gonna use this part to put it on the inside of your clothes, and then boom, you use that magnet, and this little thing over here it's gonna work perfectly. The one thing that I will say is that it doesn't come with a wind protection. So if it is super windy outdoors, I don't know how that's gonna work because I didn't test them outside yet, but a wind protection could have been like really good to have. And then this one, it also comes with a button. So I'm gonna press it, and it's gonna cycle through what is like a noise canceling on this microphone over here. We're gonna press it right now. So this is the difference between the original mode and this one with the suppression. And then we're going back to the original one on the normal one, let's say. And this one also comes with a 60 hours, yeah, 60, not 16, 60 hours battery life. I mean, talking about the whole thing, right? Talking about the charging case and both microphones, not just one. And also a really good range and a 48 to 24 kilobytes per second audio quality, or hertz actually, better say. But you can see that I'm far from the actual receiver or transmitter, and yeah, I'm pretty good. I mean, it's the audio quality is still pretty good. So getting back to you guys, I have to say that this one, just judging by the size, because they are super tiny, really compact, with a charging case, USB-C, a Lightning port, and a real and deep crystal clear voice, I think these are worth to check out. Like them, I do recommend them. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.